Hello everyone and welcome to Ved Foundation. I am Yogita Dhande, competitive exam coach and founder of Ved Foundation. And today I am going to explain Homi Bhabha Junior Scientist Standard 6 Final Paper 2011. Let us start. Question 1. Find odd one out with reference to region. Crow, frog, dog, gorilla. Options are first crow, second frog, third dog and fourth gorilla. Correct answer is option 4 gorilla. Eyes of gorilla are in front of the head and eyes of crow, frog and are on both sides of their head. Second, when we add a drop of ink to water, it gets colored. Which property of matter is responsible for this? Third option is correct. Matter is made up of particles. When we add drop of ink to water, all the particles of ink spread uniformly in water and water gets colored. And so option 3 is correct. Next question 3. Chemical changes in nature are normally. Options are 1 slow, 2 periodic, 3 reversible and 4th irreversible. And correct answer is option 4 irreversible. Chemical changes in nature are normally irreversible. Next question 4. Why should we use taps with pressure knob at public places? And options are they are easy to operate. Second, they avoid wastage of water. Third, they are light and durable. And fourth, they do not rust. And correct answer is option 2. They avoid wastage of water. Question 6. Cobalt, magnetic substance. Salt, ammonium, sublimative substance. Answer 1 is correct. 7. Find correct pair. Tulsi, medicinal plant. Second, jamun, dispersal by animal. Third, betel nut, dispersal by water. And fourth, banyan, wood for furniture. And incorrect pair is option 4. Banyan, wood for furniture. Wood of banyan tree is not used for furniture. That's why it is an incorrect pair. Correct answer of 7 is option 4. Next question 8. Who am I? I protect important internal organs and I help them to give out carbon dioxide. And options are 1 skin, 2nd rib cage, 3 skull and 4 diaphragm. And correct answer is option 2 rib cage. Rib cage protect lungs and help them to give out carbon dioxide. Question 9. Which statement is incorrect with respect to the plant? And options are plants have movements. Second, plants grow continuously. Third, plants do not excrete. And fourth, plants respond to the stimuli. And incorrect statement is third, plant do not excrete. Plants also excrete. Plant excrete by secreting gum, by secreting latex, and by shedding of leaves. So correct answer of 9 is option 3. 10. Machines are used to first save time, second save labor, third do work uniform quality with greater ease, and fourth all above. Correct answer is all above. 11. What will be the effect of indiscriminate deforestation? Options are animal will not find proper shelter. Second, soil erosion will take place on large scale. Third, animals will be deprived of their food. And fourth, all of the above. And correct answer is all of the above. All are the effect of deforestation. Next question. Which metals are present in the central part of core of the earth? And options are first iron and nickel, second iron and magnesium, third iron and aluminium, and fourth magnesium and silicon. And correct answer is option first. Iron and nickel are present in the central part of core of earth. Next 13. Which diseases will spread if there are puddles of wastewater? Options are 1 jaundice, 2 typhoid, 3 dengue, and 4 TB. And correct answer is option 3 dengue, because dengue is spread by mosquito and mosquito breed their legs in stagnant water, and that's why correct answer is option 3. 14. A measuring cylinder contains V ml of water in it. When a heavy body A is immersed in it, the water level becomes V1. When a light body B is tied with A and both are completely immersed in water, level becomes V3. Observe the values of V1, V2, V3 from the figure and find the volume of B. First, V1 is the initial water level, and initial water level V1 is 22 ml. When object A is immersed in water, the water level rises and V2 is the final water level, and V2 is 31 ml. And when the object B is immersed, then water level rises up to V3, and V3 is equal to 39 ml. So to find volume of object B, V3 minus V2 means 39 minus 31 means 8 ml. So volume of object B is 8 ml. Option 3 is correct. Next question 15. Growing children need which constituent of food more than the elder persons? And options are A vitamins, second protein, third fat, and fourth mineral. And correct answer is 2 protein. Growing children need more protein than elder person. 16. Drip irrigation method should be used in agriculture because options are 1. It has low cost. Second, wastage of water is avoided. Third, plant get plenty of water. And fourth, all parts of plants get water. And correct answer is option 2. Drip irrigation methods should be used in agricultural because wastage of water is avoided. Next question 17. When we boil an egg in water, there are two changes. How these changes can be described? First, both changes are physical. Second, both changes are chemical. Third, chemical change takes place because of physical change. Fourth, physical change takes place because of chemical change. So when we boil water, boiling is a physical change, and because of boiling there are chemical change in the egg and the content of egg become solidify. So this is chemical change. So third option is correct. Chemical change takes place because of physical change. Next 18. Arrange the following statement in proper order for making sprouts. Steps are: tie the pulses in clean cloth. B. Drain out the water about 5 to 6 hours. C. Wash pulses clean and then soak pulses in water. Current sequence is options 3. C, D, B, A. First wash pulses clean, then soak pulses in water, then drain out water after 5 to 6 hours, then tie the pulses in a clean cloth. This is the correct order. Then option 3 is correct. 19. Why watermelons grow well in sandy soil? Options are: sandy soil retains water. Second, sandy soil allows air circulation. Third, humus is more in this soil. And fourth, we can give more fertilizer to this soil. So correct answer is option 2. Sandy soil allows air circulation. 20. Find odd pair. Lungs, trachea. Both are organs of respiratory system. Second, pancreas, liver. Both are organs of digestive system. Third, intestine, kidney. Intestine is an organ of digestive system and kidney is an organ of excretory system. And fourth, brain and nerve both are organs of nervous system. So odd pair is option 3. Next 21. Figure shows bottle opener. Select correct labels of A, B and C. A is fulcrum, B is load and C is force. So correct answer is option 2. Next question 22. We have to use large box for TV than for DVD player because TV has more. Options are 1 area, 2 volume, 3 mass and 4 length. And correct answer is option 2 volume. Next 23. Find odd one out. Air, water, insect and dust. Now, odd term is insect because other three are non-living things and insect living things. Therefore, correct answer of 23 is option 3. 24. A bus is moving at a speed of 48 km per hour. How much distance it will cover in 1 hour 15 minutes? Options are: first 60 km, second 72 km, third 50 km, and fourth 63 km. Speed is 48 km per hour, means distance covered in 1 hour is 48 km. And distance covered in 15 minutes means quarter hour is equal to 12 km. So 48 plus 12 means 60 km. Option 1 is correct. 25. Why some mountain peaks from Himalayan ranges are always covered with ice? And options are: 1. They receive heavy rainfall. Second, they do not have plants. Third, they have many plants. And fourth, they fall in high altitude range. And correct answer of 25 is option 4. They fall in high altitude range. Next 26. ORS or Jala Sanjeevani is prepared from. Read the options and correct option is option 3. ORS is prepared from 1 liter boiled water plus 8 teaspoons sugar and plus half teaspoon salt. Next 27. Find odd one out and options are 1 stone, 2 china clay, 3 marble and D bricks. So correct answer of 27 is 4 bricks because stone, china clay, marble are natural and brick is man-made. Next 28. Which planet has very low temperature? 1 Mercury, 2 Venus, 3 Earth and 4 Neptune. And correct answer is 4 Neptune because Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun and that's why its temperature is very low. 29. Area of a paper is 0.06 meter square. If length of the paper is 30 centimeter, what will be its breadth? So breadth is equal to area upon length. 0.06 meter square divided by 30 centimeter. Convert 30 centimeter into meter. 30 centimeter means 0.3 meter. So 0.06 divided by 0.3 means 0.2 meter. So correct answer of 29 is first 0.2 meter. Breadth is equal to 0.2 meter. 30. Tsunamis are caused due to the earthquakes. Options are one on the island, second near seashore, third in the river bed, and fourth at ocean bed. And correct answer is option 4 at ocean beds. Tsunamis are caused due to the earthquake at ocean beds. 31. Arrange the following plants in descending order for their lifespan. A. Coconut tree, B. Sugarcane, and C. Radish. So descending order. Descending order is coconut is perennial, then radish biennial, then sugarcane annual. So A, C, and B. So correct answer of 31 is fourth option A, C, B. 32. Who am I? I digest food using three different digestive juices. Options are 1. Large intestine, 2. Small intestine, 3. Stomach, and 4. Liver. And correct answer is option 2. Small intestine. In small intestine, three juices mix with the food and help to digest the food. Three juices are 1. Bile from liver, second pancreatic juice, and third intestinal juice. So correct answer is option 2. Small intestine. 33. What will be the relation between the volume and capacity of a wooden box? First, capacity is equal to volume. Second, capacity less than volume. Third, capacity greater than volume. And fourth, no fixed relation. So correct answer of 33 is option 2. Capacity is less than volume. Because capacity is inner volume of box. And that's why capacity is less than volume. Second option is correct. 34. A boatman uses pole. First, to set his boat afloat, to change direction in deep water, to balance the boat in deep water, and fourth, none of this. And correct answer is first, to set his boat afloat. When the boatman set his boat afloat, he apply force on pole. According to Newton's third law of motion, earth also apply equal and opposite force on boat and boat afloat. So option 1 is correct. 35. Food, wood, and coal store energy from which basic source? Options are 1. Plant, 2. Carbon, 3. Sun, and 4. Earth. And correct answer is sun. Food, wood, and coal store energy from sun. 36. Find the odd pair. Iodine, camphor, sugar, alum, chalk, sand, milk, salt. Odd pair is fourth, milk, salt. Because iodine and camphor both are sublimable substances. Sugar and alum both are soluble in water. Chalk and sand both are insoluble in water. But milk and salt, they are different. Milk is in liquid state and salt is in solid state. That's why odd pair is option 4. 37. Coordination between which organ is needed when we cut our nails with a nail cutter? Option A, hand and foot. Second, hand, foot, eye. Third, hand, foot, eye, ear. And fourth, foot and eye. And correct answer is option 2. Hand, foot, and eye. Coordination between hand, foot, and eye is needed when we cut our nails with nail cutter. Next, 38. Choose correct statement about vaccine. And options are 1. It contains very less number of microorganisms of that disease. Second, it acts as a medicine. And third, all vaccines are 100% effective. And fourth, vaccines are always injected in body. And correct answer is option 1. Vaccine contains very less number of microorganisms of that disease. Okay, next 39. State the correct statement about strength of bar magnet. And options are 1. Strength of bar magnet is maximum at center and goes on decreasing towards the end. 2. Strength of bar magnet is same all over the length. 3. Strength of bar magnet is maximum near ends and minimum at the center. And 4. Magnets has strength only at the end points. And correct option is 3. Strength of magnet is maximum near ends and minimum at the center. Next 40. Figure shows path of a body thrown in upward direction from ground. Find the correct statement. 1. At point A, kinetic energy of the body is minimum. 2. At point B, potential energy of the body is minimum. 3. At point C, potential energy of the body is maximum. And 4. At point D, kinetic energy of the body is maximum. And correct answer is option 4. At point D, the object has maximum kinetic energy and minimum potential energy. So option 4 is correct. See, at point A, the object has a minimum potential energy and maximum kinetic energy. Second option, at point B. At point B, the object has maximum potential energy. And 3, at point C, the object has potential energy as well as kinetic energy. And at point D, kinetic energy of the body is maximum. So option 4 is correct. So answer of 40 is option 4. 41. Which of the following represent the quantity of matter in a substance? And options are 1 volume, 2 mass, 3 density and 4 weight. Correct answer is option 2. Mass is the amount of matter contained in a substance. For 42, which of the following organ works as a pump? And options are first lung, second heart, third intestine and fourth kidney. And correct answer is heart. Heart works as a pump. Next question 43. Heaviness means density and space occupies means dash dash. And options are first length, second area, third volume and fourth mass. And correct answer is option 3, volume. Space occupied by an object is called its volume. Next question 44. Which of the following will decrease consumption of natural resources? And options are first, use of paper for writing, second, use of disposable dishes, third, use of slate for doing rough work, and fourth, use of thermocol glasses. And correct answer is option 3. Use of slate for doing rough work can decrease consumption of natural resources, because if we use a slate for doing rough work, then the consumption of paper will be reduced, and papers are made from trees, and to make paper trees are cut down, so we will save trees, and that will decrease the consumption of natural resources. So correct answer of 44 is option 3, use of slate for doing rough work. Next question 45. Why does the speed increase while sliding down a slide? And options are due to muscular force, second due to gravitational force, third due to mechanical force and fourth due to frictional force. And correct answer is option 3, due to gravitational force. The speed increase while sliding down a slide due to gravitational force. Next question 46. Mammals have cover on their skin. Options are 1 scale, 2 hair, 3 feather and 4 mucus. And correct answer is hair. Mammals have cover of hair on their skin. Next 47. This experiment is related to the working of dash dash. And options are 1 nose, 2 trachea, 3 alveoli and 4 lungs. And correct answer is option 4, lungs. The experiment is related to the working of lungs. 48. Find odd one out with respect to vaccination. And options are first polio, second BCG, third measles, and fourth diphtheria. And odd is option 1, polio, because polio vaccine is oral vaccine and other 3 vaccines are injected in body. So correct answer of 48 is option 1. 49. Which gas from the atmosphere form a compound that is useful for growth of plant? And options are 1 helium, second carbon dioxide, third nitrogen and fourth water vapor. And correct answer is nitrogen. Nitrogen gas from the atmosphere from a nitrogenous compound, and nitrogenous compounds are useful for growth of plants. Next question 50. Find odd one out. And options are 1 salt, second sugar, third potassium permanganate and fourth alum. And correct answer is third potassium permanganate, because all are soluble in water, but salt, sugar and alum form colorless solution, and potassium permanganate when dissolved in water, then the color of water changes. So correct answer of 50 is option 3. 51. Which of the following is not produced from plant? And options are first coir, second jute, third silk and fourth caoutchouc. And correct answer is option 3, silk. Silk is not produced from plant, it is produced from animal. 52. A and B have performed same amount of work. A has displaced an object by 4 meter and B has displaced same object by 2 meter. Hence force applied by A is dash time force applied by B. Correct answer is half. Both have done same work. So work done by both is same, and the displacement for A is 4 meter and for B is 2 meter, means force applied by A is half than force applied by B. So correct answer is option 1. 53. What is the distance between the earth and the sun? And options are 15,000 kilometer, second 150,000 kilometer, third 15 lakh kilometer, and fourth 15 crore kilometer. And correct answer is fourth. Distance between sun and the earth is 15 crore kilometer. Next 54. When a child plays on seesaw, his motion is dash motion. And options are first oscillatory motion, second uniform motion, third random motion, and fourth non-uniform motion. And correct answer is first oscillatory motion. When a child plays on seesaw, his motion is oscillatory motion. 55. The clock in the figure has only a hand. Estimate the time shown by the watch. So it is behind 3, means time is 2 hour 45 minutes. Fourth option correct. 56. Which method has to be used to get both solvent and solute from solution? And first evaporation, second filtration, third distillation, and fourth centrifuge. So during evaporation we get only solute, and we do not get solvent. We cannot separate solute from solution using filtration method if the solute is soluble in water. Third, distillation. Using distillation method, we can get both solvent and solute. So correct answer of 56 is option 3. Next 57. Fertility of soil can be increased by which of the following method? And first is supply plenty of water, B grow same crop every year, C use fertilizers, and D grow different crops alternate year. And correct answer is C and D. Fourth option correct. We can increase fertility of soil by using fertilizers or by growing different crop alternate years. 58. 1 hectare is equal to dash square meters. And correct answer is 3. 1 hectare means 10,000 square meters. 59. Find odd one out on the basis mode of reproduction. First frog, second snake, third butterfly, and fourth bear. And odd is fourth bear, because bear is viviparous animal and other three are oviparous animals. 60. Mohan applies brakes to a moving scooter. Choose correct statement from the following. 1. Work is done by Mohan. Second, no work is performed. Third, work is done by engine of the scooter. And fourth, work is done by gravitational force. So correct answer of 60 is option 1. When Mohan applies brakes, work is done by Mohan. Next 61. How hibiscus plant can be described? So first options are first herb perennial, second shrub perennial, third herb annual, and fourth shrub annual. And correct answer is option 2. Hibiscus plant is shrub and it is a perennial plant. 62. What is the speed of second hand of a clock? First, 1 rotation per second. Second, 1 rotation per minute. Third, 60 rotations per second. And fourth, 60 rotations per minute. And correct answer is 1 rotation per minute. The speed of second hand is 1 rotation per minute. Second option correct. 63. Gum from bubble is. Options are 1. Food prepared by bubble. 2. Fruits of bubble. 3. Excretory product of bubble. 4. Digestive juice of bubble. And correct answer is option 3. Gum of bubble is excretory product of bubble. 64. Movement of finger of hand is as shown in figure. Are possible due to which type of joint? First, ball and socket joint. Second, pivot joint. Third, gliding joint. And fourth, hinge joint. And correct answer is option 3, gliding joint. The joints in fingers and wrist are gliding joints. So option 3 is correct. 65. When a person has snake bite on his legs, where the tourniquet is tied. A, on the side of snake bite. 2, above the site of snake bite. 3, below the site of snake bite. And 4, anywhere on the body. And correct answer is option 2, above the site of snake bite. When a person has snake bite on his leg, then tourniquet is tied above the site of snake bite. Next question 66. Which is the innermost roll of gulmohar flower? And options are first calyx, second corolla, third gynoecium, and fourth androecium. And correct answer is third, gynoecium. Gynoecium, there are 4 rolls in flower: calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. and gynoecium is the innermost roll of flower, and that's why correct answer of 66 is option 3. 67. If we put salt near an earthworm, what it will do? And options are: first, it will move towards the salt; second, it will eat the salt; third, it will move away from the salt; and fourth, there will be no effect on it. And correct answer of 67 is option 3. It will move away from the salt because salt makes the skin dry and earthworm respire through moist skin, and that's why earthworm move away from the salt. 68. Which of the following quantity is measured using spring balance? And options are 1 volume, 2 mass, 3 weight, and 4 area. And correct answer is option 3 weight. Weight is measured using spring balance. Next question 69. Ganesh and Gita brought green vegetables from market. Ganesh washed it before cutting, but Gita washed it after cutting. Who is correct? First Gita, second Ganesh, third both, and fourth none of them. So correct answer is option 2. Ganesh. Proper method is washed vegetable before cutting. Next question 70. Ice cream is a mixture of, and options are liquid and soluble solids. Second, liquids, soluble solids and gas. Third, liquid and gas. And fourth, solid and gas. And correct answer is option 2. Ice cream is mixture of liquid, soluble solid and gas. 71. Find incorrect pair for nutrients and its main resource. Options are: first, tart potato; second, protein, leafy vegetables; third, fat coconut; and fourth, vitamin fruits. And incorrect pair is second, protein, leafy vegetables. So in green leafy vegetables, vitamins and minerals are present. So correct answer is option 2. 72. Some conditions about weight used for weighing are given below. State which of them essential according to the law. A. A weight has to be made up of metal. B. A weight must be hexagonal. C. A weight must have mark of manufacturing company on it. And D. Weight must have mark of weights and measure department. Correct answer of 72 is option 4. A and D are correct. So, so the conditions: a weight has to be made up of metal and weight must have mark of weights and measure department are essential according to the law. Next 73. Choose correct option for spread of TB. A through air, B through water, C through food, and D due to habit of spitting. So correct answer is A and D. Option 3 is correct. So TB spread through air or due to habit of speeding. 74. When a vehicle goes up the mountain slope on a circular road, which of the following statements stand true? Statements are: first, this is a shortcut; second, the time required to go up is less than that required for straight road; third, it is easy to go up by this road; and fourth, all of the above. And correct answer of 74 is option 3. It is easy to go by this road because that is inclined plane and it will take more time, but it is easy to go by this road. 75. In which of the following spring-like parts may be present on the stem? 8 trees, 2 shrubs, 3 climbers, and 4 herb. And correct answer is 3 climbers. In climbers, spring-like part may be present on the stem because climber can't stand on their own and they need support. So spring-like part means train drill wound around the support and help climber to climb on the supports. That's why correct answer of 75 is option 3. 76. How can you estimate the weight of a big pumpkin? Options are: 1. By taking weight of many pumpkins together; second, by taking weight of 1/4 or 1 upon 8 of it; and third, by taking actual weight of it; and fourth, by observing it. And correct answer is option 2, by taking weight of quarter part of it. Next 77. Find odd one out. Hands of a clock, swing, seesaw, needle and sewing machine, needle of sewing machine. And options are: 1 hands of clock, second swing, third seesaw, and fourth needle of sewing machine. Odd is option 1 hands of clock. 77. Correct answer is option 1 because the motion of swing, seesaw and needle of sewing machine is oscillatory motion and motion of hands of clock is circulatory motion. And that's why answer is option 1, hands of clock. 78, observe the figure and choose the correct option. Observe the figure. The man is pushing load using inclined plane. A, wheel, second slow, third pulley, and fourth wheel and slow. So correct answer is 4. Means two types of simple machines are used, wheels and slow. So correct answer of 78 is option 4. 79, running of train as per the timetable is which type of change? First, irreversible, second, non-periodic, third, periodic, and fourth, reversible. So correct answer of 79 is option 4. So running of train as per the timetable is a periodic change and reversible change. So option 4 is correct. 80. Which of the following description is most correct for carrot? And options are A, lateral root, 2, fruit, 3, food storing stem, and 4, food storing root. And correct answer is 4, food storing root. Carrot is food storing root. So option 4 is correct. 81. Find odd one out. Stray animals, pastures, strong wind, heavy rain. So correct answer is option 2. Pastures is odd among the given terms because stray animals, strong wind, heavy rain cause soil erosion, and that's why odd word is pastures. Correct answer of 81 is option 2. 82. Which method can be used for cleaning wheat adulterated by chaff and sand? Options are first, threshing and sifting, second, winnowing and sifting, third, sifting and picking, and fourth, threshing and winnowing. And correct answer is option 2. The light chaff is removed by the method winnowing, and sand is separated by the method sifting. So winnowing and sifting methods are used to clean wheat adulterated by chaff and sand. Option 2 is correct. 83. When an object is hung on a spring balance, what effect it has on spring of the balance? And options are potential energy increases, second, potential energy decreases, third, kinetic energy increases, and fourth, kinetic energy decreases. And correct answer is option 1, potential energy increases. When an object is hung on a spring balance, potential energy on the spring increases. 84. Jellyfish can be classified as, and options are 1, aquatic vertebrate, second, amphibious vertebrate, third, aquatic invertebrate, and fourth, amphibious invertebrate. And correct answer is option 3, aquatic and invertebrate. Next, 85. Arrange the statement in proper order. And the statements are: A, manure is prepared from wet garbage. B, the garbage in the bins is collected and transported to designated places outside the town. C, garbage bins are provided for collecting garbage. And D, the garbage is separated into wet and dry categories. So let us arrange this statement in proper order. And the proper order is option 3. C, B, D, A. Means garbage bins are provided for collecting garbage. This is the first statement. Then B, the garbage in the bins is collected and transported to designated places outside the town. Then D, the garbage is separated into wet garbage and dry garbage. Then A, manure is prepared from wet garbage. So C option is correct. 86. While suggesting a diet, which factors are considered by a dietitian? And options are 1, age, second, health problem, third, type of work, and fourth, all of these. So correct answer of 86, option 4, all of these. While suggesting a diet, dietitian consider the factors like age, health problem, and type of work. Next, 87. Why we have to increase the use of solar energy, wind energy, and energy from sea waves? First, these are conventional sources of energy. Second, these are non-conventional sources of energy. Third, these are strong sources of energy. And fourth, these are everlasting sources of energy. And correct answer is option 4. These are everlasting sources of energy. Next, 88. Components of which mixture can be separated by centrifuge method? And options are water and turmeric, second, water and salt, third, salt and turmeric, and fourth, water and sugar. So correct answer is option 1. Water and turmeric can be separated by centrifuge measure because Density of water and density of turmeric are different, and turmeric is insoluble in water. We can't use centrifuge method to separate water and salt because salt is soluble, and we can't separate the solute which is soluble in a liquid using centrifuge method. And salt and turmeric both are solid, so centrifuge method cannot be used. Water and sugar is soluble, so centrifuge method cannot be used. So correct answer is option 1, 89. Which of the following substances is brittle? And options are steel glass, second wooden block, third aluminium ruler, and fourth a piece of charcoal. And correct answer is fourth. A piece of charcoal is brittle. Brittleness is the property of a substance by which substances break easily, and charcoal is brittle. So answer 4 is correct. 90. Which energy is used when we run? First kinetic energy, second potential energy, third physical energy, and fourth heat energy. And correct answer is option 3. Physical energy means muscular energy is used when we run. Correct answer is option 3. 91. Which of the following ingredients is present in gel pen ink? And first is bone extract, second xanthan gum, third acetone, and fourth glue. Correct answer of 91 is option 2. Xanthan gum is present in gel pen ink. 92. Which of the following is used as a coolant in ice cream factories? And options are 1. Liquid oxygen, second ice plus salt plus sawdust, third ferron, and fourth liquid ammonia. And correct answer is fourth, liquid ammonia. Liquid ammonia is used as a coolant in ice cream factory. Next, 93. Which method is used to get diesel from crude oil? And options are 1. Settling, second evaporation, third distillation, and fourth fractional distillation. So correct answer is option fourth. Fractional distillation method is used to get diesel from crude oil, and this method is based on the principle difference in boiling point. And fractional distillation method is used when the liquids are miscible. Next, 94. Which waves are used in remote control of TV? And options are 1. Infrared, second ultraviolet, third ultrasonic, and fourth FM. And correct answer is option 1. Infrared waves are used in remote control of TV. Next question, 95. Which fibers are used in bulletproof jacket? And options are 1. Silk, second spider web, third Kevlar, and fourth melamine. And correct answer is option 3, Kevlar. The Kevlar fibers are used in bulletproof jacket. Next, 96. Which ingredients in chilies make them taste hot? And options are thiocyanate, second lacrimator, third capsaicin, and fourth pepperoni. And correct answer is option 3, capsaicin. The capsaicin in chilies make them taste hot. 97. Year 2011 is being celebrated as International Year of Dash Dash. And options are 1. Environment, 2. Astronomy, 3. Biodiversity, and 4. Chemistry. And correct answer is option 4, chemistry. Year 2011 is being celebrated as International Year of Chemistry. Next question, 98. Construction of dam by China on which of the following rivers originating in Tibet considered to be the threat to India and Bangladesh? And options are 1. Sutyaj, second Brahmaputra, third Jhansi, and fourth Sindhu. And correct answer is option 2, Brahmaputra. Construction of dam by China on the river Brahmaputra originating in Tibet is considered to be a threat to India and Bangladesh. So option 2 is correct. 99. Select correct option for screen of laptop computer. First LED, second plasma, third LCD, and fourth cathode ray tube. And correct answer is option 3, LCD. The screen of laptop and the screen of computer is LCD screen. 100. Which of the following is state flower of Maharashtra? And options are 1. Gulab, 2. Lotus, 3. Tamhan, and 4. Bahawa. And correct answer is option 3. Tamhan. So Tamhan is a state flower of Maharashtra. Thank you.